In this video, we talk about the break and continue statements in Python. Alright, so let's get into it. And also real quick, the break and continue statements can be used in both types of loops. They can be used in for loops as well as while loops. And typically, a break or continue statement is used within a conditional statement, which is used within a loop. So conditional statements are if, elif, else. And so within one of those, based off of if one of those conditions is true, you might break your loop or you might continue your loop, which basically means you're just going to skip over that iteration. So we're going to run through a couple examples and you'll see what I mean. So let's go ahead and set up our basic for loop for x and sentence print x. All right, run that real quick and you see right here, basically loop through our string sentence, one time for each letter in our string, and the output, of course, is then sentence written vertically like that. Hopefully you're expecting to see that. If not, please go back and watch the for loop video. All right, so if we want to go ahead and add a break or continue statement, we can do that here. And again, it's usually inside of a conditional statement. So let's set one of those up. So we'll do if x is equal to, let's say, t, then we want to go ahead and break. And let me come down here and add another line out here, print complete. So we can make sure that our loop is completed, and let's see what happens. So I run it, and you see we get sen complete. So the t right there broke our loop, right? That makes some sense. It went to t. When it hit the t, this conditional statement rang true, which equaled break, which equals exit loop. That's what it means. So then we jump down here to complete. So you see how break works, hopefully. And then if we switch out break for continue and ran it, we would see what happens. So we get SENENCE. So it left out the T. So basically when it hit this continue, it just jumped up to the next letter or item in our loop here, which is this E, and it ran and it continued going through the entire string. So you might be wondering, if there are multiple T's in this string here, would we keep continuing or would it eventually just break? So let's check that out. So sentence is the best sentence in the world. Run it real quick and you can see it essentially just moved the T out of this string. So we got sentence is he best sentence in he world. Complete. Right? So the continue statement can go again and again and again until you've gone through the entire loop. Whereas, of course, the break statement breaks at the first instance of that conditional statement being true, which is this T right here. And so that is it for breaks and continues. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, I appreciate any likes, comments, subscribes, anything like that. And I hope that you have a great rest of the day.